can. For example, when I leave my house to go to the Juniper at 5 o'clock in the morning, I've got a blinky red light on my helmet, I got a blinky red light on my seat post, I got a bright yellow bag with reflective tape all over it. Why do I do these things? Say that again, Michelle, nice and loud.
To lessen your chance of being hit.
To lessen the chance of being hit. Because they've done numerous studies that show, and a blinking red light, not a solid red light down here. A blinking red light, not a solid red light. The blinking red light, the dynamism of that blinking red light, studies have been shown in studies that gets people's attention more than just a simple solid red light. Solid is too static. Even though I'm on a bike going like this, it's still too static. Yes. Okay. So let's collect your guys' data. I got a little chart up here. We can drop it in. Whoops, we are frozen. Uh-oh. Hang on.
Bam.
Not responding. Okay, well, it'll end you.
I will end you.
Oh, come on now.
It doesn't want to.
Doesn't want to see the greatness.
It's like you shall not have your problems.
Might take several minutes. No, I will shut you down now. There we go. Now I wonder if I just lost all of that. So let's find out. Hopefully it's trying. It's trying up there. Hang on.
All together.
It's trying. Sweet Jesus. Alright, forget it. I'll just start from scratch again. I got too much crap open. Wow, they were talking about the IT network getting stressed. I didn't realize it was actually this bad. You know what? To hell with it. Throw the work. That's totally fine.
That's a big thing to say, you know.
What, go to the board?
No, to hell with it.
To hell with it? Well, I'm not going to wait here for it to load itself. Although I do have a great simulation I want to play with, but we can make it do with the board. So, I'm going to make what's called a probability distribution. Now what that's going to do is, it's going to keep track of what you guys had in percentage form, what you saw. So I'm going to keep track on the left with the number of heads that you guys got out of 5. So if you flipped the coin 5 times, how many heads could you have gotten? 5, 4, 1.
None.
None. Huh? Couldn't you get none, right? Anybody get no heads at all? There we go. It happened, yes? So it could be anything between 0 and 5 inclusive, up by 1 each time. Gesundheit. You can't have like a half a head on a trial. But you can get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or excuse me, 5. What I want to do now is, I want to get some raw data. So we're going to start with frequencies. So raise your hands and show me how many times anybody got no heads at all in 5 flips. And show me fingers too. Show me fingers. We got 2 over here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Love it. 8. Beautiful. How about 1 head? So 1 head and then 4 tails. 1 head, 4 tails. 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16, 17, 19, 25. 30. Beautiful. Love it. Perfect. 2 heads, which would mean what? 3 tails. Yes. 2 heads, 3 tails. 2 heads, 3 tails. All right. We got 6, 8, 14, 21, 27, 32, 35, 39, 44. None. That's okay. 49. 56, 57, 58, 59, 63, 67, 75, 79. 3 heads, 2 tails. 3 heads, 2 tails. 3 heads, 2 tails. 3 heads, 2 tails. Beautiful. 3 heads, 2 tails. 4, 10, 14, 17, 23. Tax in my mind. 30. 7, 41, 44, 47, 48, 52, 53, plus 7 is 61, actually plus 8 is 61, 62, 64, 67. Yeah, I had an extra 1 in there. I was looking at 8 and called it 7. Can't add. 4 heads. 1 tail. 4 heads, 1 tail. 3, 5, 6, 9, those 4s, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 24, 25, 29, 32, 33, 34, 35. And all heads. All heads. 1, 2. Beautiful! All right, now this is what I had Excel set up automatically to do for us. How many we got all together? If we add all these bad boys up, 38 plus 79 is 107. Check my math on this, friends, because I suck at adding. 107, 174
117. Actually, yes.
total.
Well, 38 plus 79.
It's closer to like 200, yes.
220.
Thank you.
Precisely.
Well, the first three numbers.
That's our room number, isn't it? Oh no, we're 220.
222.
Who's right 2? Damn, off by 1. I probably counted wrong anyway, so it doesn't
You
matter.
said you had to run an extra one here. So throw it in.
Throw it in there, well, call it good. It's all good. Now, here's what I want to do. What I want you guys to do is I want you to create a column right now, which is I'm going to call the experimental. This is not what Faith and Will were talking about. It's the experimental probabilities. The experimental probabilities. The experimental probabilities. So we saw 8 occurrences of no heads. That would be 8 out of 221, yes? Convert that to a decimal that makes more sense to us. 30 out of 221, yes? Convert that to a decimal that makes sense to us. I want to work these down to percentages, and then I want to see if there's a better, a more efficient way we can do it. While you're working on that, I want to see if I can get Excel to work, because it's a really good simulation I want to use.